Today I want to shake you up a little bit if you haven't yet filed your 2016 tax returns.
You don't have to stress with financial success. Come progress with Premier Group to achieve your financial success.
Life is hectic. Sometimes April 15th comes around way too soon, and you need just a little bit more time to get your tax information in order. Hopefully your tax accountant filed an extension for your personal taxes to give you just a little bit more time to file. If they filed a Form 4868 extension to file form for you, then you have 6 months or until October 15th in order to timely file your taxes. Hi, my name is Maya Edwards, and I'm the Senior Tax Accountant for Premier Group Services. So here are some tips for the extension filers out there. Don't leave money on the table. Just because you're filing a later return doesn't mean you should miss out on your tax benefits and credits. Don't overlook your tax benefits. Make sure to check to see if you qualify for any tax breaks that you might miss if you rush to file. Your state return is due at the same time as your federal return. So when we file your federal tax extension, the state also receives the same request for extension. Even if you owe, still file on time. If you owe taxes, you may want to wait until you have the money to pay. This is one of the biggest mistakes that taxpayers make. I recommend that you go ahead and file on time to avoid a late filing penalty. Even if you owe and can't pay all of your taxes, pay as much as you can to reduce interest and penalties for late filing. You can also request an installment agreement to make monthly payments on your tax bill. If you miss the October 15th deadline, you should still file as soon as possible. Don't wait until next year. The good news is that even if you miss the October 15th deadline, you can still submit your tax return. The IRS will not reject your return or deny you the opportunity to file. In fact, it's in your best interest to file your return as quickly as you can following the deadline. Now, you'll still be assessed late filing penalties, but the quicker you file, the less you will be penalized. Penalties and interest for filing a late return only matter if you owe. If you're receiving a refund, you'll probably have no worries when it comes to filing. You've basically given the federal government an interest-free loan by not timely filing your return. So in exchange, you're not charged any late filing penalties or fees. However, if you owe, the IRS will tack on penalties and interest onto your tax bill. You'll pay 5% of whatever you owe for every month you don't file after the tax filing deadline until you file. And then the IRS will also tack on an extra 0.5% of the balance due for each month. I look forward to hearing from you with any last-minute filing questions or concerns. Give us a call at Premier Group Services at 301-577-6444 to help get your taxes filed by October 15. My name is Maya Edwards at Premier Group Services and can answer any questions you have about filing your tax return by October 15.